everyone, it's Miss Hannah, and today I'm going to be teaching you a beautiful snow fairy dance. So if you've got a magic wand at home, boys and girls, do you want to run and find it now? You can always pause the video if you need to. If you haven't got a magic wand at home, don't worry, because you could just pretend you've got a magic wand, or maybe you can make a magic wand, or dance with a ribbon, or even a wooden spoon could be your magic wand today. So when you're ready, we're going to start in first position. Beautiful, good job. And we're going to do some lovely ballet moves in this dance. And one of them is some lovely points. So we're going to stretch our feet to the side and in. And the other way, stretch. Very beautiful. Another move the music asks us to do is an arabesque. So an arabesque in ballet is where we step on one leg. So we're going to reach our magic wand forwards, and we're going to lift our back foot, and we're going to look up our magic wand. Should we try the other side? So magic wands up, and see if you can balance on one leg and look up at your beautiful magic wands. Wonderful. So when you're ready, follow along with me. Beautiful. Standing nice and tall. And can you float like you've got fairy wings? Beautiful. Now both together. Dancing in my living room or in my dreams. Turn. I look inside my and the other way. And hold my wand just right. Good. Toe. I can point my toes and call it beautiful. Watch me do it now. You can do it too. And wait. Lovely. And we're gonna sway. Good. Hold your magic wand. If you've got a dress on, you can hold it out to the side. Beautiful. And wings. Dancing in my living room or in my dreams. And twirl. I look inside my and the other way. And hold my wand just are you ready to arabesque? Now I arabesque. Lift. Reaching way out. Wow. And the other side. Lift your wand. I can touch the sky. Wow. Beautiful. And down. Gorgeous. Can you show me those fairy wings? Now we're going to do it up on our toes. Wow. Wave it above your head. Lovely. We're going to do our jumps. Will you put your feet in first and show me your big jump? Ready? Jump, jump, jump. Good job, ballerinas. Wow, very good. Should we jump out and in? Out, in. Good, fairy wings. Beautiful. Spin. And the other way. Twirl. Let's spin. Good. See if you can spread some magic fairy dust. Lovely. And wings. Beautiful, boys and girls. And a curtsy to finish. Or a bow. Well done. That was such beautiful snow fairy dancing today, everybody. Remember, you can always rewind the video if you want to have another practice. You can put your fairy wings on, you can get your wands out, and I hope you have lots of fun. See you all again soon. Bye, everyone.